In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a Stripe account and connecting it with your Payoneer account. To begin, open your browser and head over to Stripe's official website at stripe.com. Log into your account, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. From here, we'll move on to linking your Payoneer bank details with Stripe. Go to the Balance section, where you can see an overview of your Stripe funds. Click on the Manage Payouts drop-down menu and choose Manage Bank Account. Then, select Add Bank Account. Now, open your Payoneer account and locate your virtual bank details, such as your account number, routing number, and any other information Payoneer provides. After gathering these details, return to Stripe and carefully enter all the information into the required fields. Double-check everything for accuracy, and once you're confident the details are correct, click Add Bank Account to finish the setup. And that's it. Your Payoneer account is now linked to Stripe, and you're ready to start receiving payouts. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and stay tuned for upcoming content. Thanks for watching.